In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reminder frequency for DocuSign signers. To get started, log into DocuSign and click Start from your main dashboard. This opens the workflow for creating a new item to send out for signature. When the options appear, choose Envelope. Then select Get Signatures. This takes you into the standard signing process, where you can prepare a document and assign it to the right recipient. Next, upload the document you want to send for signing. Make sure you choose the correct file version before moving on, since this is the document your signer will receive. After the upload is complete, add the recipient by entering their name and email address. Be careful here, because reminder emails will go to the address you enter, so accuracy matters. Once the recipient information is in place, click Next. This opens the document preparation screen, where you can review the file and access additional sending settings. From here, select Advanced Options. This section contains extra controls that help you manage the signing experience more precisely. Now scroll down until you see the Reminder section. This is where you control follow-up emails for signers who have not completed the document yet. Turn on the Reminder option to enable automated reminders. This is especially useful if you want to reduce manual follow-up and keep the signing process moving without having to check in yourself. After reminders are enabled, set the number of days before the first reminder is sent. This determines how long DocuSign waits after sending the envelope before it sends the first follow-up email. Choose a timing that feels appropriate for your situation. For example, if the document is time-sensitive, you may want a shorter delay. If it's less urgent, you might prefer to give the signer more time before the first reminder goes out. Next, choose how frequently the reminder should be repeated. This setting controls the ongoing reminder schedule until the document is completed or expires. A practical reminder frequency can help maintain momentum without overwhelming the signer with too many emails. When your settings look right, click Save to save the reminder settings. This confirms your reminder preferences and applies them to the envelope you're preparing. Then, click Send to send the envelope with those reminder settings included. At this point, your document is on its way, and DocuSign will handle the reminder schedule automatically based on the options you selected. Thanks for watching.